Well, hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to my channel. I'm in front of the camera today because today this video is being sponsored by Iraqi.com. Now, I will leave all of the information in the description bar below and also a promo code for you guys, but I do have it right here. I didn't even open it because I wanted to open it with you guys. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and get this open, guys, because you know your girl does not like to be on camera. But in the meantime, I just wanted to give you a little background while I'm fiddling around trying to get this open for you guys. But it's basically Jackie Lead, and Jackie Lead is actually one of the 4 sub-brands of Iraqi.com, and that's the website that you can go to, Iraqi.com. And this brand basically focuses on products and home improvement. Now, they wanted me to go ahead and do a review for, that's why they did sponsor this video, and they wanted me to actually do an honest review. And a lot of companies that do sponsors, they don't really want you to do an honest review, but they wanted me to do an honest review because they wanted to get a good opinion about their product and how they can improve their product. So even if I don't like the item, or if you guys don't, for them to go that far to even be so open to suggestions does speak volumes, and it really resonated with me as a company. So this LED light is a Jackie Lead white birch LED light, and it could be used for indoor use, or it could be used for decorating, even Christmas and such, maybe weddings or little parties and get-togethers, but it can sort of set the atmosphere. Now, I'll tell you, after I actually went ahead and looked at it, I did think it would be probably good for like a jewelry display, or to pull out just to set the atmosphere when you're going to be doing entertaining, or maybe even leave it in like a child's room. I'm going to show you the things that I sort of liked and the things that I sort of didn't like about the actual light. But it is a white birch LED light, and they say it can be suitable for everyday decoration in your bedroom, your living room, your kitchen, your doorway, etc. And right now I'm just looking at the paperwork that came with it. It's just instructions and information about the package and what it included. Now, you actually get 2 of these trees. I thought it would be 1, but it's actually 2 of them, and they come sort of folded like in the box, so you do have to sort of unwrap it, and then you have to, there's no assembly except batteries. Now, the batteries did not come with the actual item, but I did have some batteries. They take AA batteries, and for the AA batteries, they take 3 per tree. And what you see me doing here is I'm basically going ahead and I just wanted to like sort of bend it and make it look more pliable. I'm giving you a close-up of the actual birch tree. That's what it is supposed to be. That is like a white birch, I would assume. It looks sort of like there's just tape around it, and then they sort of like maybe brushed it with a white brush, but I did want to show you guys that. But now that I actually went ahead and sort of adjusted the shape of the tree, now you can see what it looks like. And you just basically want to pull out the branches to create your own look or light. This is what it looked like before I pulled the branches and adjusted the lights. And that's basically what it looks like, and that's the base of it. I have them both now on my table, and I'm just showing you how you cut it on. Now, I did notice that there's no cord. It's battery operated, so like I said, it does take 3 AA batteries. There is no cord. Now I'm just showing you how I styled them. Now, this is based on your aesthetic. They wanted me to give an honest opinion. I'm just showing you a close-up of it. The base is plastic. The material wrapping the tree is actually looks like tape that they may have painted. Not saying it's a bad thing or it's a good thing. I'm just stating the facts. But here I have it styled on my bar cart. So if you guys like this, I'll leave this in the description bar where you can go ahead and get the promo code and get this item if you're interested. In the meantime, guys, thank you so much for watching. I do have to say that it's based on your aesthetic. Like I said, some people will like it, some people won't. My honest opinion is that you do get 2 in a box. but me personally, I would want it to look a little bit more like a tree. But it is cute for get-togethers, maybe, you know, for parties and such. And it's up to you how you feel. But like I said, I do have to give an honest review. So I hope you guys like this. If you did, give the video a thumbs up. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you guys next time in the next video, and have a great day.